It's a good news for passengers traveling over Konkani Railway due to continuous demand and rising demand of extending TEJAS Express up to MADGAON. Right now it's running up to Karmali, CSMT to Karmali, and same has been extended till MADGAON. So this TEJAS Express, it will run up to MADGAON with effect from 1st of November 2022. So till 31st of October we are following monsoon timetable, and once this non-monsoon timetable begins with effect from 1st of November, this TEJAS Express leaving from CSMT will be coming to MADGAON. The train will leave CSMT at morning 5:50 hours on every Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and on the same day it will reach at 14:40 hours at MADGAON. For CSMT, the TEJAS Express 22120 will leave at 15:15 and reach on same day at 23:55 hours. This train will have 11 AC chair cars coaches, one executive chair car coach and two power cars. Plus with effect from 15th of September we will be adding one Vistadome coach to increase the tourism services over this route. So this Vistadome coach will be an added advantage for the passengers travelling over Konkani Railway in TEJAS Express, and this will continue after non-monsoon timetable as well. So I request all the passengers to avail the benefit of this same.